AI is not replacing developers, but developers who know how to harness AI are becoming much faster, smarter, and more effective. Imagine yourself staring at a labyrinth of code files, bug reports piling up, API endpoints shifting, and endless documentation tasks. It's a reality for most engineers. Days lost reading through legacy code, hours spent debugging oddities and writing test cases, and constant pressure to deliver stable, scalable solutions. What if you could reclaim this time and focus on what truly matters? Enter ChatGPT. Today's developers use it as a coding assistant that breaks down complex methods, reviews logic for architectural flaws, drafts clean documentation, generates test ideas, and plans entire features with just a few prompts. Instead of wrestling with unreadable functions or vague pull requests, you can ask, explain this method, find bugs in this API, refactor this service, create unit tests, summarize this pull request. ChatGPT builds context, unlocks hidden insights, and makes the barrier to understanding nearly disappear. It's like having a technical mentor available 24/7, dedicated to helping you work faster and smarter. But when it's time to make hands-on changes, Codex steps in. Codex is a coding agent that doesn't just suggest edits. It can inspect your actual codebase, recommend updates, modify files, and guide feature implementation. Working in tandem, these AI tools transform your workflow. Picture this practical approach. Use ChatGPT to clarify requirements and design the solution. Then, employ Codex to generate or refactor code, update models, and connect services. Review the results manually, run your tests, and check for security or performance glitches. AI doesn't replace your expertise, it amplifies it. Let's walk through a real example. You need to add a new field to an API. First, update your swagger.json file to define the change. Regenerate your models. Wire the new models into controllers, services, and routes. Wherever integration points lurk, let AI prompt you. Did I miss any related files? Codex can spot oversights, update code, and even draft robust unit tests, freeing you to focus on business logic. By 2026, ignoring AI isn't an option. The best developers will know how to guide it, asking clear questions, validating its suggestions, and shaping smarter code bases. Use AI to think faster, code smarter, build better software,